So I thought I'd do a video on my Redwing Iron Rangers. I watched a lot of videos, and a lot of guys get boots, they don't fit them. They tell you to go a half size smaller, which is correct. Half size smaller works. But the width, I'm 54 years old, and I've had a pair of these in my mid-20s, 25 years ago, and I wore 10 and a half. I wear a 12 now, and my foot is flat. I lost my arch. It's a lot wider. I guess spending 25, 30 years on your feet, that tends to happen. So the video is to tell people, look, go the half size smaller, but don't settle when it's narrow and your foot don't fit. Switch the model, go to the 8111. They make the 8111 in a wide. You have to order it. Most stores don't carry wides. It's an EE. Get 11 and a half. If you wear a 12 wide in any other shoe, any shoe you put on seems tight. Like, I can't wear Nikes, they're too narrow. I have to wear Skechers. It's the only wide shoe I can find. So if you're a 12 wide and you want an Iron Ranger, buy an 11 and a half E. Don't settle for a 12D. You'll be more happy with the 11 and a half E. I hope this helps. Thanks.